If you have seen my recent videos, you know I talk a lot about carbon monoxide poisoning.
Hey Louis, what's one important thing that people are not doing?
Well, they're not doing is they're not checking their carbon monoxide detectors or their smoke detectors.
Whether it's doing your annual maintenance to your boiler or your hot water heater, or just as simple as changing your batteries to your carbon monoxide detector, it's all very important, guys. Did you know that carbon monoxide poisoning kills at least 430 people a year here in the US? Additionally, it sends about 50,000 people to the hospital a year for accidental carbon monoxide poisoning. We saw exactly what that means in Brooklyn, New York, when 2 adults and 3 children were rushed to the hospital for a carbon monoxide incident. A mother of 3, ages 3, 1, and a baby, and another male were getting symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning, and they didn't even realize it. What were they getting? Fatigue, nausea, dizziness, just drowsy. The mother took action, and what did she do? She called the kid's father and said, listen, there's something wrong. We're all getting the same symptoms. The kids are feeling sick. One of them is about to pass out. There's something wrong. Please come on down. Father came through and he realized there's something absolutely wrong because all of them basically are dying. And he called 911 and had everybody come on down and see what's going on. And guess what happened? They found out that the kids were exposed to carbon monoxide poisoning just as well as the 2 adults. So listen guys, this is not a joke. This is something very serious that I take very serious, especially in my industry, in my trade, because this happens every year. They were this close to become a statistic. Thank God they got there quickly, promptly, and listen, they were there to help save the day. Fire department checked the ppm levels of CO and they realized it's at 300. Average household should have anywhere between 5 to 15 ppms, and they had 300. Now you're asking, what is ppms? ppms is a scale that we use in our industry called parts per million. What is parts per million? That is the levels of CO in the house. So industry standard is 5 to 15s. Carbon monoxide is between 50 to 100. And you can imagine 300. So guys, this is not a joke. Check your batteries of your carbon monoxide detector, your smoke detector, and do your due diligence to make sure that your boiler is ready for the season and is safe. Don't be another statistic. From Louis the Boiler Man, Hvac.